Hey guys, welcome to our reading time today. We are reading a story called The Hurt Bird since we're working on our sound this week. So, what we're going to do today is we are going to look at this story and read it in an echo read. Okay, so I'll read first and then you read after me. Okay, so are we ready? Here we go. The Hurt Bird by Carly Moeb. Illustrated by Patricia Castillo. One day, Clark played in his yard. He ran fast to get his kite to go up in the sky. Then Clark saw something stir in the grass. He got on his knees to look. A bird peeked up at him. It started to hop but did not fly away. Make sure you're pointing. It seemed weak. It might be hurt, Clark said to himself. I'll go get Dad. How do you think Clark is feeling right now? Do you think he's maybe feeling a little worried about the bird? Clark knocked on Barb's door. If you can hear my dishwasher in the background, I'm sorry. Hi, Barb, said Dad. Clark has a hurt bird. Can you help it, please? I hope so, said Barb. Let me take a quick peek. It was hard for Clark to wait for Barb to check the bird. He wanted an answer fast. Yes, I can help it, Barb told them at last. Clark, this bird is a horned lark, and it's a girl. She broke her leg. First, I will put a brace on it. I'll keep her until her leg heals. Then we can set her free. Clark felt glad. He and Dad went home. Clark met his mom at the door with a big smile. Barb says she can help the bird. How is Clark feeling now? What kind of feelings is he having? He's glad, right? It even tells us that in the story. Clark felt glad. Do you know why he's feeling glad now? Here we go. Soon it was time to set the bird free. Clark, Dad, and Barb went to the nearest park with the bird in a big cage. Clark opened it. The bird chirped at him, and then off she went. She can fly, Clark shouted. She's just a speck in the sky. Go, bird, go! Fabulous reading, friends. Make sure anytime we're reading quotation marks, you change your voice. And anytime you see an exclamation point, you make your voice more excited. I hope you are doing that the same way that Mrs. Tanner was in this story. Now, here's your part for your work in Canvas. Okay, number 1, here's your clues. I have the letters UR. I tell about the bird in the grass. What word am I? If you need to, you can rewind to look back. I have the letters UR. I tell about the bird in the grass. What word am I? Number 2, I have the letters ER. I tell that something belongs to a girl. What word am I? And number 3, I have the letters IR. I have more than one meaning. In this story, I tell about movement Clark sees in the grass. What word am I? And so what we're going to do is I am going to have in Canvas pictures of the story so that you can go back and look for the answers as well to these 3 questions. So you're going to look in the story for the answers to these 3 questions and submit your answers to your teacher on Canvas. All right? I hope that you guys have a fabulous rest of your day. Bye.